Hi guys! If you're looking for some hooks that you can put up and you're trying to avoid using any kind of nail or screws to drill holes through any kind of metal, I highly recommend these 3M hooks that I purchased. And not want to use screws and drill holes in there. So I started researching the different products that are available out there. They are very, very easy to put on. First, you must clean the area very thoroughly. So you just use soap and water, clean the entire area. And then I just peel the back. It's adhesive, and you put it on there. And I don't know if you can see, I'm going to try to zoom in here. And you can see some of the hooks. And it's wonderful. It works very, very well. So I highly recommend these hooks. If you're trying to avoid drilling any kind of holes, these work really well. Thanks for watching.